Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 26th of November 2022. We're going to talk about Dogecoin today because I missed this. Yes, you guys can see it already. I missed the price prediction. The market, instead of going down, went up in Dogecoin. So obviously, what does that mean? Well, it means that the buyers came to the market and propped up Dogecoin's price. So now I need to come in and reevaluate the situation. So I'm going to do that right now. So you guys can see I did a price prediction not long ago in Dogecoin on the 21st of November. You guys can see that the market strength is definitely here as of right now. Now you guys can see it here though, that I had resistance. So this means that on this price prediction, let's say that Dogecoin did go up, which you guys can see factually it did. But what if the market begins to come back down from this level? Then that simply means that my idea of looking for Dogecoin to go down is still applicable. We're there now. You guys can see that the increase in volume the last 2 days in Dogecoin really means that the sellers are really trying to dump the price in Dogecoin again. But let's look at this on a different time frame to see if the sellers will be successful in that market move to the downside. Okay, so what the market is telling me as of right now, you guys can see right here on these 2-day price bars right here, this one and that one. Even on this current one, this is where resistance is. So if anything, this tells me that I should have increased my area of resistance in the market in Dogecoin up there around 9.5 cents. That's where I should have placed it. I didn't have that on my first video, which was on let me see, November the 21st. Okay, so I'm going to move that. We need to address that because I may be still in line to see the price in Dogecoin go down. What do you think? Let's do this. This is it on the 3-day chart. So you guys can see right here on the 3-day time frame that Dogecoin is still looking pretty decent. It doesn't look like it's massively weak right now. 5-day chart. Even here on the 5-day chart, this would tell me that I may need to cut the price prediction of looking for Dogecoin to go down because of this 5-day price bar right here. Okay, right there. Now we still have 5 hours and 45 minutes left, but given what we see right now, I will have to say I need to cut this out the way and play the market move to the upside instead of to the downside. See, the market tells you where the opportunities are. You just need to simply follow the market and nothing else. It tells you when you're right, and it also tells you when you are wrong in your idea as to where price is going to go. So let me go ahead and do this. Let me go ahead and run this all the way back. Okay, so if we were to get out the market right now in Dogecoin, you guys can see that we would be down 20% right now, and it happens. So what we usually do is we take that as a learning lesson, see how we got that incorrect in our presumption as to where price is going to go, and learn from it. But we continue to play the game. So let's go ahead and get right back into this. So I said that 9.5 cents is resistance now. So given that I've stated that, we need to understand that Dogecoin can still go down in price. Okay, all because of this resistance area that which we've identified. It can still go down. So my price prediction is going to be drawn off of the 5-day chart. Okay, this is where I'm looking for price to go up, at least in the next 5 days. Now, if it doesn't happen in the 5 days period, then again, we're going to come right back in and play the market move to the downside because this tells us that the buyers are no longer controlling the price action. Okay, so now it kind of looks as if we're going to be seeing some whipsawing price action occur in the market of Dogecoin. We're definitely not in no trend, meaning uptrend or even a downtrend. The market is just whipsawing between a couple of support and resistance areas. Now, first price target is going to be a dime. Okay, that's 9.5% market move higher in Dogecoin there. The second one is going to be around 10.5 cents, almost towards 11, which is around 18.5% there. Okay. So now let's talk about this on a longer term. Okay, I'm going to give you the full picture. Even though we're playing the strength on the 5-day time frame in Dogecoin, when you look at this further out in time, the monthly time frame right here, this definitely tells me that the weakness is garnered to the downside though. The weakness on the monthly chart is definitely here. In the next 4 days and 6 hours, if this price bar in Dogecoin closes at the low of this monthly price bar down here, we would have to be playing the weakest in the long term. I'm just saying. So you have to be agile. You have to be nimble and quick to know when to get in and when to get out of this particular market in Dogecoin. This is not one where you buy and sit down and wait until the next 7 years to see where the market action is. This market is relatively unstable on varying time frames. I definitely want to make sure I tell you all that as we anticipate where price is going to go, because I'm not massively bullish in the sense that we can look for Dogecoin to take a massive run higher. This is the support area. That is why the market currently in Dogecoin is trying to stay above a nickel, and the process is still ongoing as we see on the price chart. Okay, so outside of us not seeing price in Dogecoin break 9.5 cents to the upside, we will see price go down. I'm telling you that right now. So the sooner that we see price in Dogecoin do this, the better. The sooner that we see the market in Dogecoin break 9.5 cents to the upside, the better. The longer that we see Dogecoin not breaking above 9.5 cents, we will see price continue to go down. So literally we have a very short period of time for us to see this market in Dogecoin trend higher. Very short time. So if it doesn't pan out, I would say in the next day, 2 days, yeah, we need to come in and reevaluate the situation in Dogecoin. And in order for us to really see that, let me show you something. The market in Dogecoin cannot break this ascending line. So I'm gonna hold this here because I want us, I would say this is the amount of time the market has to break above 9.5 cents in Dogecoin. Just as give you a general idea as to how long we need to see the buyers take this price above 9.5 cents. Okay. We need to see something like that. Now, the market in Dogecoin can do this and then go up. So the support area should not see the market break below 8.5 cents. I'm showing you all how to get prepared for this market action in Dogecoin and how you should be thinking. So we're going to give the market in Dogecoin this much time to confirm to us that price is either going to continue to trade on this trend line. For one, that's the best outcome. But let's say that it doesn't. The next one would be for price to hold 8.5 cents and then break up. Either one of those two things needs to occur for us to know that our price prediction is still solid. If the 8.5 cent price don't hold, then the market won't go to 10 cents and 11 cents. It won't. So I'm already prepared for that. I already can understand how to move and react to the market action in Dogecoin. Okay, so be prepared for that. Let's see this. Now I want you all to tell me, what do you think? Where would Dogecoin go? What is the probability of us seeing price in Dogecoin break 9.5 cents? For real, what's the chances? Is it 60% chance that the market will break above 9.5 cents? Is it 30%? Because I'm leaning more towards the lower end, maybe 40-45% chance that we can see the market in Dogecoin break 9.5 cents right now. What do you think? Hit me up, let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel, because this is the spot, the location that we're trying to give you some general ideas as to how you need to be viewing the cryptocurrency space without all the hype, without all the FUD, without all the FOMO. Simply look at the price chart.